Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making a club sandwich.
Alright, it's very, very easy this one, but it might be one of the best sandwiches in the world, so let's show you how to do it. First of all, we'll take a chicken breast. Always feel along the top of the breast, and if there's any connecting areas at all, just chop them off. Just make sure you've got a really nice, perfect, smooth breast. We're going to make grilled chicken, so we want to brine it first to make sure it doesn't dry out under the grill. Brining a chicken involves leaving it in salt water for anywhere between half an hour and a day, depending who you listen to. I like to do it for an hour. Prick the chicken breast first on both sides, put it in the salt water, and put that in the fridge. An hour later, here it comes. I'm going to butterfly the chicken like we always use a very sharp knife, and we do it underneath our hand so that if the knife slips, it goes into the chopping board and not our hand. Trim off any little bit of excess bits on there. And there is your chicken breast in half. Season it, salt and black pepper. And then season side down. You want to put it onto a lined tray. Now season the top bit with salt and pepper and some extra virgin olive oil. And then under the grill for about 10 minutes. So about 10 minutes there, we're just going to turn that over. Let it have a further 6 to 10 minutes on the other side. Just get it, make sure that it's all got a nice bit of colour on there. And then I would just wrap it in foil to rest until we're ready to use it. That's going to keep it nice and warm. So that's our chicken warming. I'm going to take out the breast now once it's cool enough to handle. Still nice and warm, but you know, we can actually handle it now. And we're going to just slice that into nice, perfect pieces. There's the chicken breast, grilled chicken breast, which is super moist, absolutely delicious. We're now going to take some bacon. I use smoked bacon for this, but obviously do whatever you wish. Smoked back under the grill. Again, 5 to 10 minutes. Give it a flip halfway through. And then just finish that side off again for another couple of minutes, and that is perfect and beautifully cooked bacon. Again, just take that off there and get it ready to use, so put that on your plate. Okay. Leave that there for a minute because everyone likes to look at bacon. Take a fresh tomato, the fresher the better. Remove the top and slice it like so. Very, very carefully, moving your fingers out of the way as you go down through the tomato. Put it out on a board. I just leave it on a chopping board, and I'll season it with salt and pepper. I try and do this as far in advance as I can because it kind of just dries out the tomato a little bit. It keeps it lovely and moist, but it's not wet. It won't ruin your sandwich. That's a romaine lettuce. I think romaine lettuce has got the best colour and keeps it shaped really, really nicely in a sandwich. So I just chop off the top of the romaine lettuce, and I've got those leaves, and here we go. It's assembly time. So we're going to take 3 toasted pieces of white bread, to which we're just going to butter them. Do this as quickly as you can because you want this sandwich served lovely and warm. So we've got the 3 slices of white toast buttered, and now we're going to put mayonnaise on 2 of the slices. On with the romaine lettuce. You can see it just fits really nicely on the sandwich. It looks great. All the colour's beautiful. Your lovely warm smoked back bacon, to which we're now going to put the middle slice of bread over there. So there's one sandwich made. Onto that we're going to put our tomato slices, our beautifully seasoned tomato slices, and grilled chicken breast. Fold over the top section, and there you go. That's your club sandwich pretty much made. So what we're going to do is chop that into quarters. When you're chopping this, try and use a sharp knife and chop directly down like I'm doing. If you kind of saw into it with a serrated knife, you're at risk of pulling out one of those middle layers and making an absolute mess of it. So try and chop down into the sandwich if you can. Use toothpicks at this stage. The toothpicks are going to hold the sandwich together. This is very traditional. This is how a club sandwich is usually served. Probably fancier toothpicks than I've got. And bosh, there you go. That is a club sandwich. Of course, remove the toothpick before you bite into it. There you go. But it's a simple sandwich. It's a classic sandwich. It's incredible. It's right up there in my opinion with the best sandwiches in the world. The classic club sandwich. Serve that with a side of French fries and a little mayonnaise to dip it all in. And off you go. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.